Haiku. Basho. An old silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond. Splash! Silence again. A haiku is a Japanese poem that follows a specific pattern. The whole poem has a total of 17 syllables. Do you know what a syllable is? A syllable are the different parts of a word. Usually, each word has a different number of syllables depending on how many vowel sounds are in the word. So if we look at the word syllable, we have syllable, 3 syllables, syllable. Or maybe the word total, total, is 2 syllables. If you have not learned about syllables before, this might be something that you want to explore before you move on with writing haikus. In a haiku, the syllables are arranged in 3 lines. Every haiku is 3 lines. The first line has 5 syllables, the second line has 7 syllables, and the third line has 5 syllables again. A haiku is all about these syllables. Haikus do not have figurative language like similes and metaphors, and haikus do not rhyme. Let's take a look at that haiku I read again. An old silent pond. A frog jumps into the pond. Splash, silence again. Let's look at the syllables. An old silent pond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A frog jumps into the pond. 7 syllables. Splash, silence again. 5 syllables. So, you can see that this haiku follows the syllable pattern. Also, we do not have any figurative language like similes or metaphors in this poem. And although we have pond and pond, there's not really any kind of rhyme scheme. We don't really have any room to create a lot of rhyme. But the poem itself makes sense. It's not 3 random ideas, it's one idea that all goes together. So you're going to next take a look on the next few slides at some student examples of haikus. And then I would like you to try to write a haiku of your own. Remember that the haiku should only be 3 lines, and that the first line should have 5 syllables, the second line should have 7 syllables, and the third line should have 5 syllables.